Before the partition, Britain had ruled India for almost 200 years. But in the August 1947, that all came to the end. After the partition of 1947, hate, anger bottled up among the people of East Pakistan. In spite of cultural difference between the two regions, the government of Pakistan was adamant on making Urdu the official state language. At that time, Muhammad Ali Jinnah declared only Urdu will be the state language of Pakistan.
Let me make it very clear to you, leave no doubt that the state language of Pakistan is going to be Urdu and no other language. Pakistan's state language shall be Urdu.
At the time, the Prime Minister of East Pakistan, Khaja Nazimuddin, supported the state language Urdu proposition on 21st of February, and the Bengal's anger exploded into protest. Section 144 was issued by the government to stop the protest, defying the police, students, teachers, and the people from all walks of the life took to the streets. Dhaka University area vibrated in unrest. Police attempted to stop the protesting students. Still, everyone kept moving towards the assembly hall. The police opened fire on the advancing masses. Salam, Rafiq, Barkat, Jabbar, Shafiur, and many others sacrificed their lives. Language movement was the start of Bengali people's struggle to establish their national identity and build the foundation for the ultimate war of liberation.